Hi everybody, welcome back to our Facebook page. Let's make this fish origami. Take a small piece of paper and start folding it like this. Now flip it and fold it from its bottom side and look, it is looking like this. Now make more such pieces like 9, 27 and 89 of different craft paper. We are taking pink, blue and yellow craft paper and we are going to start putting all of them one after another like this as we are doing here in the video. You can increase the number of pieces as the size increases according to the fish. Look, it is looking like this. After yellow we are putting blue paper piece like this and then we are putting pink paper like this, and look, the size is increasing here. You can take one after another. Now we are using more blue color in the center. You can give more different patterns like this. Now we are putting yellow paper like this and we are putting blue on the corner and yellow in the middle like this. And look, it is almost ready now. The fish is getting ready. Now we are putting blue paper and then we are going to put more blue in the center like this. We are making a beautiful texture. We are covering blue paper from the corner and giving a multicolor in the center, and look, your fish is almost ready now. Now we are going to make the fins of the fish like this, and look, it is ready. Let's make these beautiful peacocks. We are going to fold a purple craft paper, flip it again and fold it, make multiple folds on it, and look, we are going to fold it from its top portion like this and make the body of the peacock by folding another piece of craft paper like this. Again fold it and look, it is looking like this. We are going to repeat the process from other side as well. Now we are going to twist it like this and make the beak of the peacock, and look, it is ready. Now make multiple cuts on the feather and look, it is something looking like this. After that we are going to make beautiful feathers by pasting small craft paper on it like this, and look, it is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and share with your friends.